Welcome back. I believe this is the last box we have to do this week. This is the Archer and Olive spring box, and this thing is heavy, guys. Really heavy. So I haven't opened it, so we'll find out together what we have for the spring. Now, Archer and Olive subscriptions come out 4 times a year, so about every 3 months. And this is their spring box. Last year I also did their Advent calendar box, and that was a really nice box too. So step into the Beekeeper's Garden. It's a sunlit afternoon, twinkling wind chimes and the gentle hum of busy bees set the perfect scene to welcome inspiration and reflection. Whether you're writing, planning, or simply daydreaming, you can escape to the garden free from the sting of worry or risk or rush. Stay as long as you like and nurture your creative mind. So I've been busy working in the garden. That's why I haven't been in my craft room as much. But I tell ya, I can hardly wait till I am done doing the work of the garden and I can just sit out on the patio and work in my journals. I think that would be an amazing afternoon. So Archer and Olive, Beekeeper's Garden, turn over for spoilers. We're not going to turn that over. We'll start with this envelope here, pen pouch. Oh, wow. So this will hold your pens, and I don't have an Archer and Olive pen here, but this can go down like this, and then it has this elastic band, a lot like Happy Planner does, and you can just put this around your journal to have your pens all there and ready for you. Let me see. So you can put several pens in here that are the Archer and Olive pens. They have some very special pens for writing and drawing and doodling and lettering and all of that. So that would be absolutely gorgeous and very, very functional for planning. Here we have a sticker set, 4 sheets, matte finish. So let's see what we have. Okay, we have some journaling stickers here, or you could use them as decorative stickers if you wanted. The bees would definitely be decorative, but we have 2 of that kind and 2 floral. Beautiful. Can't wait to use those in my journal. Oh, and we have a stamp set. We have the stamp pad, we have the block, and we have, okay, we have days of the week. We have letters that we could write out the month if we wanted, or any title that we wanted for our page. We have numbers. Very, very nice set. That would work very well in your journal. And here we have pens. So we have the pen sleeve, and we also have pens that we can put in there to use. And we have the colors charcoal, honeycomb, daffodil, lilac, and violet. They don't, oh, here it is. Here's the stickers that you use to put the color name on your pens. So I'll do that later. Here it says we have decorative tape. Oh, and aren't these beautiful? Here we have daisies. Here we have a honeycomb pattern. I don't know if that is showing up very well. We have the honeycomb pattern on the gold tape. Here we have daisies going vertically. And here we have, it looks almost like, well, it looks like flowers, but they're a lavender colored flower. Beautiful. Okay, so this one, Dot Grid Notebook, 112, ultra thick, 160 GSM pages. So there's 112 pages in this one. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. And I just love their boxes. They're such good quality. I actually store all of my journals in their boxes to protect them. And I'm new to journaling, so I don't know if by the end of the year I'll still be able to do that or if I will have to take them out. Oh, look at this. Beautiful purple or lavender cover with the B embossed on there, or debossed. And here we have the dot grid pages. And of course we have the Naperson bookmarks. Beautiful. And this one is 192 pages, 160 GSM, and it's another dot grid. I'm wondering what this is. I wouldn't think they would give us 3 journals, but I guess you never really know. We'll find out when we get there. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, this one has the beehive. It's in a honey-colored cover with the white showing the beehive and the tree. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, and there's bees on the back. Oh, and this one's the lavender pages. Look at that. Beautiful. And then we have a Naperson bookmarks again. Look at the front. Oh, and it's got bees on the inside. And it's got our pocket in the back, our pen loop. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get this box out of the way because I'm just really curious. If I turn it over, I know it's gonna tell me what it is. Clipboard folio. That's something new. I've never gotten a folio from them before. Let's see what it is. Love the box. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, and the folio is the same pattern as the box. They go together beautifully. And so that you have your clip here, and here you have your elastic. Let's see what's inside. Oh, and we have a pad of paper inside. Nice sturdy paper. And a pocket. Oh my gosh, guys. This would be perfect, like if you're at work and you have to go to a meeting, and I mean, everybody will be jealous that you have this absolutely gorgeous folio. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love it, love it. I do not work anymore. I am retired, but this folio, oh my gosh, I can take this to meetings. I volunteer with a group here that is a fundraising group for the city, and that will be perfect to go to my meetings with me. So that is this spring box from Archer and Olive. Let me know if you got this Archer and Olive box, if you order from Archer and Olive, if you subscribe to them. Let me know down in the comments. Please like this video and come back and see me again, and I will see you next time. Happy planning, everyone.